Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Blender Video Sequence Editor for motion graphics exports, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open Blender and switch to the video editing workspace. Locate the top menu bar and click on Edit. In the drop-down menu, select Preferences. In the Preferences window, find the Add-ons tab on the left sidebar. In the Add-ons search bar, type Grease Pencil. Enable the Grease Pencil add-on by checking the box next to it. Next, click on the Render tab in the Preferences window. Make sure the video format is set for rendering. Close the Preferences window to return to your main workspace. Now, select the Video Sequence Editor from the drop-down menu at the top left. Begin adding your video clips by dragging them into the VSE timeline. Adjust the timing of your clips by moving them along the timeline as needed. To create motion graphics, add text or shape layers using the Add menu in the timeline. Select Add, then choose Text or Image to incorporate graphics. Customize these elements by selecting them and adjusting the settings in the sidebar. You can animate your graphics by inserting keyframes for properties such as position, scale, or rotation. To set the duration of your animation, drag the ends of the keyframes in the timeline. Once your sequence is complete, click on the Render tab in the Properties panel. Set the output path by clicking on the folder icon and selecting your desired location. In the same Render tab, adjust the resolution and frame rate according to your project needs. Finally, click on the Render menu at the top and select Render Animation to export your motion graphics. Your video sequence will now begin exporting, and you can check the output folder for your final video once it's finished. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.